Guys, how you doing? Good evening. Happy holidays to you guys. Y'all, so tonight we are getting ready to fix some dinner, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with us. I am not cooking this year. That's one thing I said I was not going to do. I'm not cooking this year. I am so tired. I literally worked in the morning, and I literally just wake up. I keep saying literally. I just woke up. But tonight we are going to make some homemade pizzas. I know last couple Christmas Eves, we've been ordering pizzas. And I just figured it'd be something fun. We have not did this as a family in a long time. So I ran to the store this morning, to Walmart. I thought it was gonna be crazy, but it wasn't. Surprisingly, it wasn't. So I got all the stuff so everybody can make their own pizzas. You know my family, they don't want to be on camera, but I'm going to show you what we're going to make. Actually, I think I'm just going to make this what we eat in a holiday week or something, because there's so many different holidays. I know it's Christmas Eve, but we don't really do Christmas like that, but we do Kwanzaa, which follows immediately. So I'll probably let you guys see what we're going to eat through all of these festive holidays. Okay, so tonight we're going to bake, what I say, we're going to make some pizzas. So I'll show you guys that. And then tomorrow, James wants to grill, child. He does that sometimes. So he's going to grill some ribs, and Lexi's going to make her famous spaghetti or macaroni, one of them. And then James, he wants to make potato salad. Sis is tired. I'm not doing nothing. I'm gonna let them cook for me this time, okay? Yes. All right, so let me show you guys how we're gonna put our pieces together. And then I hope you guys don't mind sticking around, joining us. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below to let me know that you guys are here, okay? All right, so let's get started with our pizzas. I made the crust. It's not circle, but this is Lexi's pieces, and we're going to the oven.
So you got sausage, a little bit of bacon, and pepperoni.
Pepperoni and 2 cheeses, mozzarella and what? Mexican? Fiesta, okay. Looks good. There's Lexi's pizza. Looks so good. This is my pizza. I have sausage, pepperoni, and peppers, and garlic powder with mozzarella. I'm gonna add some American cheese and some olives to it. Oh, this is my pizza. It looks good. I got olives on it, and I forgot to show you before. It looks fire. Sausage, pepper, pepperoni, and then I added some Fiesta blend cheese on top like Lexi did. Yum yum. Here's all that. But we also have Rotel dip and chips. We have been chilling all night watching movies. Yeah, I can't remember. Oh, sorry, I can't remember what movie we was watching. But yeah, the pizza was so good, and the Rotel dip, weird stuff. Jay just got home. He's making his pizza. He's gonna show us. I didn't think he wanted to make it because he was gone for so long. He was like, "Where's my pizza at?" Yeah, see, I love this because they was like, "We too big to do this," and I'm like, "You're never too big nor too old to make a pizza." And they're having a lot of fun. Miss Avery's right there if y'all see something moving. Lexi just got up to go in the room real quick, and child, yeah, I'm cozy, chilling. And I'll show you his pizza when he comes. Jay's pizza. He has pepperoni, onions, and green peppers with 2 kinds of cheese. Looks good. Jay's pizza looks good. Hello y'all, good afternoon. So I don't know why it's getting dark so early today. Today has been like the most gloomiest day. It's not snowing though. I know a lot of people are mad because they wanted to snow on Christmas, but I am not one who is mad, okay? I am happy. Actually, apparently James is happy because he got up super early this morning to grill. So he grilled some ribs and steak, and I was going to make a breakfast casserole, but my family didn't want that because they wanted to eat now. So we didn't make that, and I'm fine with it 100%. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna have. There's Miss Alexis. And then we're gonna chill and relax for the rest of the evening. Jay's probably going out. He usually go make his rounds to different family and friends' house. We're probably gonna sit here and chill. The game is coming on tonight. Lexi is super excited to see the Beyonce part. I don't care. I have to go to work tonight, so I'm gonna be relaxing. And yeah, so let me show you guys what we're having for dinner tonight. Lexi made some spaghetti. They already dipped in it. And garlic bread. James made ribs and steak. Some have barbecue sauce, some don't because Lexi doesn't like sauce. And he also made potato salad. This time by itself. Let's see bowl, but it looks good. Let's see. I kill me a Beyonce bowl. What y'all think about the Beyonce halftime show? I thought it was boring, actually. And I don't even know none of those songs. I don't know none of her songs. Like, I just knew her last one, but I thought it was rather boring. She looked cute. She looked really cute. I love the all white. I love her coming out on the horses. But that's all I liked. Lexi liked it. You liked the Beyonce part? Yeah. She liked it a lot. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, I'm like, where is, Where he going? I don't know. No, she's not going with Jay. But yeah, I didn't care for it. It was alright. It was alright. But anyway, we're getting ready to just chill for the rest of the night. We're not really doing a whole lot. And that's it, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next clip. Happy New Year. Hey y'all, so we are just getting back. Child, we had a good time. Curls is gone. I should have filmed before I left, but I didn't have time. I was running late. How you be running late when service starts at 10:30 at night? But we had our watch night service, baby, and it was good. So watch night is when you go to church and you just bring in the new year with your church family. You sing praises to God. You might have scripture or two. A lot of people tell their testimonies about how good God has been to them over the past year. We heard some really great testimonies tonight, and it was just a beautiful thing. God's been good to our family, and I'm sure God's been good to you too. Tonight I'm gonna show you guys what Lexi made for us for New Year, because she cooked this year. Because I went to work this morning and I went to sleep. I got back up and I went back to sleep until it was time for us to get ready for church. Yes, and then I'm gonna cook tomorrow for New Year's Day. I'm gonna show you guys that. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying seeing what we're eating. It's not a whole lot this year. We're keeping it real simple, budget friendly. You know, times is hard. The economy sucks. Food is high. So yes. So let me show you guys what we're having, and then I'll see you guys on the next clip. Okay guys, here is our New Year's Eve little snacks they were having. We're not doing a whole lot this year. So Lexa requested this crack dip that I make every year, but she made it this year. I just have bacon and cream cheese and garlic powder, and it's so good. And she wanted to make some meatballs, and she wanted some lamb. So we got some lamb chops, but they're like more like lamb steaks, I guess. And then some chips and salsa. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. So happy New Year, everybody. Hope you guys having a great one. Hey guys, happy New Year. We made it to 2025. What to say what? So today I'm going to show you guys what I am eating for this day today. Today is also Kwanzaa as well as New Year's. So, and I just said New Year's. I hate when people put the S on New Year's. It's New Year. It's a new year. But I want to show you guys what we're going to eat tonight. So on the menu, we are having fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, collard greens, and black eyed peas. So I'm just going to show you guys my plate that I'm having, because I have a whole nother video where I'm actually cooking this, so you guys can go and watch that video. I will link it down below so you guys can see. But happy New Year's. I wish you guys the best. Okay, love y'all. Okay, y'all, so here's my plate. Got the macaroni and cheese, fried chicken. I made some cornbread and some collard greens. Y'all put sugar in your collard greens? That's the question. I used to put sugar and hot sauce on my greens a long time ago. And then I have some green black eyed peas. Yes, casserole right there. All right, so this is my dinner. They said that greens got kids, they don't need hot sauce. Definitely gonna put some hot sauce on my chicken though. Yes, yes. Oh, and I also forgot to show you guys that I have a red strawberry drink. The red for Kwanzaa, you're supposed to have a red drink. It could be Kool-Aid, whatever. It just symbolized the blood of the slaves that of our ancestors. So yeah, I always try to make sure I have a red drink. We got strawberry Fanta. Yes, yes. Hey y'all, so it's later and I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. I just wanted to show you what we ate for each of these holidays. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day / Kwanzaa. And I was getting ready to throw this video away because I was like, this is garbage. It did not come out the way I planned. But I was watching It's Beyond G and she was like, we are not wasting content. I was like, you know what, sis, you're right. We're not going to waste content. I filmed it. We're going to show it. Good, the bad, and ugly. You know, being a content creator isn't always all that is cracked up to be, because sometimes you make mistakes. Sometimes things don't go your way. Your videos don't go as you want them to. But yeah, that's life. We're going to start the new year off right, on the right foot. So, yeah, this is what we ate tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Y'all, I'm just real over here. That's it. Good. I want you guys to comment and subscribe. Let me know what you guys also ate on any of these given holidays. I know a lot of people this year, they were all, I seen posts on Facebook, Instagram. Everybody's talking about they want to eat baby shower foods this year. I don't blame them. My family is watching movies right now. I'm going to go watch them and then go lay down because I got to go to work tonight. But I wanted to just jump on here and just say thank you for hanging out with us on all of these great holidays. I hope you guys have a great one. 2025 is your year. It is your year for blessings and everything that God has for you. It's yours. All right. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.